Hello YouTube family. So welcome to another vlog for one. But this weekend we at my family's farm. So that's one fish pond. And I don't know if y'all can see the other one, but that's where we are today. Right now we at the family building. Jay over there picking up dog shit. Anyway. So we are down at the farm this weekend working. Sorry, I look a little crazy. But
it's big. I'm on the farm.
I'm not finna play with him.
Put the sole purpose mascot on that mother.
All right, we got Ghost. It's about Jake's about sole purpose mascot. That's my boy. But yeah, we out here. So I'll try to get some content as the weekend goes. I just finished eating some wings, so just want to tap in. Bye, y'all. So who cares? Okay, y'all. So we got Jay.
What's happening, y'all?
Jay is the president and CEO of Humboldt Farms, but it's Humboldt Kennels. Okay. We gotta run it back.
Yeah, we gotta redo that.
Hold on. Let's get it together. All right, y'all. Meet my boy Jay. This is my little cousin and Ghost. So Jay is the president and CEO of Humboldt Kennels.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about what y'all got going on.
And right now we just in the beginning stages. You know, we getting stock right. It's our upcoming stud. Just really give us a follow on Instagram at Humboldt Kennels with an S.
All platforms?
_
All platforms, Humboldt Kennels _ Check my boy out. And this is Ghost.
Yup, Ghost. I got him from Blueberry Kennels.
Shout out to Blueberry Kennels. We're going to tag them too. But yeah, just wanted to tap in. Y'all folks tap into Humboldt Kennels. We'll get back with y'all.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
Oh no!
Oh, ain't no fish milk.
Dang!
And it took the line with him?
Yes. It took the line with it.
Rookie.
Dang.
Rookie.
Yes, I had some. It took the line and everything.
It wasn't even big enough to take your line.
No, it wasn't.
Rookie.
But I'll see you in the morning though. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
All right.
Laying down the carpet.
She knows she bought some extra ones. They not painted.
Water said before he know LC put a boom.
But we'll put up.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.
Good morning, guys. We headed down to the farm. Mamie don't like to get on the YouTube, so I'm not gonna put her on there. This the vlog. Tell the people hello.
No, don't put me on.
I'm not putting you on. Tell them hello without them seeing you.
Hello. Good morning.
She crazy. That's my mama, one of my mama's sisters. So we headed to the farm. Got that sole purpose on. Got to have that on. My mama back there moving slow as a turtle, but I'm gonna get with y'all. You driving? Or you want me to drive? Mama, do you want me to drive?
No, you do.
Decisions. All right, y'all.
Okay.
I'm tired. Right now, we got a few different projects going on. So, if you look over there, we got burn piles going on. Right here, I had to go pass out hydration treatments.
One thing of hydration, you pass out the water, and now you have to take
Because I had to run across the field.
You said you go to the gym, but that should not have been a problem.
You ain't got to put my business out there like that. So clearing off this area, we're going to put some seed down.
I ain't gonna worry about it.
Huh?
I don't know these weeds right here. How far do we
Weeds never end.
not in the story?
We're going to plant grass right here.
How far do we go with these weeds, man?
Like I said, we got some. I'm trying to get my thoughts together. It's too hot. Fat is digging holes to put a wooden post out because we're gonna mark this off for a parking lot area for the family reunion. This is a very old tractor. I don't know if y'all can see it, that we used to use. We got another, my uncle. They are fixing the porch over there. Y'all can't really see that, but it's a lot of work going on, a lot of maintenance. We just did some work inside of the big barn building, just preparing. So I didn't say in the beginning of the vlog, but we are prepping for the family reunion. But throughout the year, we always have work days where the family come out, whoever can, and we work maintenance. We got that good grass. That good grass out there, red dirt. I'm gonna try to go fishing today. Hopefully I can. It's beautiful. Where's the what? My mama be calling my name and doing all that stuff. What you need? Mamie got the cutter. I don't know if Mamie got the cutter. This is all about to be funny. Oh, my uncle just pulled up. Let me get back to work. Back? Mamie, I'm cutting you out. I'm cutting you out. Come on, where we starting?
Was she on the phone? I'll go ahead.
This sun is brutal. Okay, Vic. Oh, let's see what we get here. I'm gonna clean one area at a time.
I'm the one that got him with 22.
Look at the
Ain't
clip
no
on it.
telling what he about to do with it. There he is right there. Fat said, look at the clip on it. Fat, what'd he get?
22 Magnum with the banana clip on it.
Talking about with the banana clip on it.
You gotta see where that line going.
Where the sunny are gray, we gon' ball and parlay. It's the Tusky.
Ain't got no Tuskegee around here, no.
That's my theme song, man. Sorry.
Come cut these ribs. Right here. Right here. I want y'all to see who back on another break. They on your face. You see? She was back on another break. To my, wear my sunglasses. They been on her face the whole time. Whew.
It's the sun. Who is that?
The vlog.
Oh, it's the sun, folks.
I think I done lost my sunglasses. On her face. That's crazy. Whew. Huh? But that ain't nothing. It's just weeds. Them ain't no roots. It's roots under this building. Huh? What you need? Hard work, dedication.
Oh, right here.
Cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say Ashton.
Y'all, not the cows done got out. The cows done got out. Them folks done went across the way, all the way up there. I don't know if y'all can see, but the cows done got out, and them folks done had to come get them. Now I don't even know if y'all can see, but it's a lot going on. Sorry if y'all can't really see nothing, but they ringing them back in right now.
Where did they come out at? Where did Kurt go? Huh? Well, let's see if we can get them down here. They're coming down. Let's ease them down. Heck, that's all of them, too. Ain't but one or two left is in it down there. Well. Right back where they come out at. So Kurt said folks gonna come and do all this cut.
Yeah. Grade the road too.
I went to see about getting one of those tractors with the bulldogs on. Man, it don't take but a minute. I'm thinking about I was going to ride up the big spring today. We got some of those that got land up there. Y'all know where that land is up there? No, I don't. Hey, I need to get that. So, there's 200 acres up there. You don't want to let that slip away either. Don't let them go down the road.
Brad, we gotta put him in that gate.
Turn it back. Hey, the fence is down like this, hey, turn it back, turn it back. To the gate.
Y'all, I may be about to be spotted by my auntie. I was hiding out. Don't nobody know I'm standing back here. No, I was taking a picture of the first of all, I was hiding out. I didn't think you was about to see me. I need a break. Honey. She spotted me.
Maybe here. Vic, take that.
Huh?
Take the earring. Get that from me. Get that from me.
These twins. We had a productive day, didn't we, ladies? They been acting real stink.
Who you talking to?
This is the vlog.
Oh. I'm sick of that thing. Bump content.
They so disrespectful. Well, we had a great work weekend. Very
Don't put that online
successful.
'cause I'm supposed to be sick.
Mama, please.
I'm
Ain't
telling
none
you
of
right
them
now,
people
you can
following me. I could do whatever I need to. I'ma chop it up.
Take me out of it.
Tomorrow I'm supposed to
I
be
don't want
sick.
Devin to see me, no. Devin don't need to see me, honey. Y'all gotta realize that when y'all post that.
Look. Y'all just ain't trying to be in the mix. Just say that. She took my true. All right, y'all.